Hey guys, presenting you a new color variant of Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. You know this is a great device with 3.5mm headphone jack and 200 megapixel camera setup. Also, the phone have in-display fingerprint sensor. The design language and in-hand feeling is awesome. The phone was released with MIUI 14 based on Android 13, and currently we are using the latest August based HyperOS build for this device. The latest build of HyperOS for this device is awesome. It provides latest security patch, also fixed various issues from previous build. After latest update, battery backup improved significantly. Right now the device runs smoothly and the heat management improved significantly. Especially the video quality improved a lot from previous build and image quality is okay. It's a great news that Xiaomi provide us latest security patch